Evaluating database articles. From an earlier module, remember that your topic guides you to the best sources. Examine database articles using the criteria given in this presentation. They will help you determine authority, point of view, primary versus secondary, scholarly versus popular, and current versus historical. Remember from the web evaluation presentation that authority has to do with the qualifications of the author. When examining a database article, ask yourself, are the authors listed? Also, look for the author affiliation, which is the organization, school, etc. they are a part of. This will give you insight on the author's background. You will find this on the database record for many academic journal articles. Most popular magazines will not list author affiliation because in many cases the authors are staff writers and not experts in the material they are covering. Use the other methods of evaluation in this presentation. For point of view, read through the abstract if available. If there is no abstract or the bias is unclear, you may have to start reading the full text of the article to determine this. For the type of source, ask yourself, is the article a primary or secondary source? Primary sources tend to be original research, while secondary sources summarize or interpret primary sources. Knowing this will help you determine if you need original research or data from a primary source, or if interpretation from a secondary source would be enough for your topic. Both types can support your thesis in different ways. Also, the audience for scholarly and popular sources differs. When looking at a database article, ask yourself, who is the audience for this article? Is it researchers, the general public, or students? The text will help you answer this question. Remember that academic journal articles are written at a much higher reading level than popular magazines, so you may have difficulty understanding the content of journal articles. Look to see if the database article has a reference page. This is a list of sources the authors consulted. A references page allows you to find the original source material, and it adds credibility to what the authors say in the text of the article. You will most often find a reference page in academic journal articles. Currency deals with how up-to-date the article is. Ask yourself, is this important for your topic? Older material may not be appropriate for a current events topic, but it may work if you're researching something historical. If available, look at the references page. Are the dates of the references recent or not? Again, this is important for current events topics. All of these concepts will help guide you toward the best database articles for your research.